Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and detailed reviews of the best products out there. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best flower pens for your office, the Leery Mixed Purple Rose and Peony Ballpoint pens. If you want to add a splash of creativity, charm, and elegance to your everyday writing, these pens are definitely worth checking out. Now, let's talk about what makes these pens stand out. This set includes 16 ballpoint pens, each designed with a beautiful plush flower on top. You'll find a delightful mix of purple roses, peonies, sunflowers, and little daisies, all in a soothing purple color palette. These pens are not just writing tools, they're decorative pieces that can brighten up any workspace or event. Imagine having your desk transformed with these vibrant, floral accents that bring a fresh and inspiring vibe to your office or study area. Quality-wise, these pens are crafted from high-quality plastic and silk, ensuring durability while maintaining a lightweight feel. Each pen measures about 9 inches in length, giving you plenty of room to hold comfortably, and the plush flowers add a soft, tactile touch. Wrapped around the barrel is a velvet purple peony with a green ribbon, enhancing the pen's overall aesthetic appeal. But these pens aren't just about looks. The ballpoint ink delivers a smooth, reliable writing experience. The ink flows steadily with a medium point tip, allowing for clean and precise lines without any smudging or skipping. Whether you're jotting down notes, signing documents, or doodling during meetings, these pens offer practical functionality alongside their eye-catching design. These flower pens also make a fantastic gift option. Whether you're shopping for Valentine's Day, a birthday, a wedding, or simply want to surprise a special woman in your life, mother, girlfriend, or wife, these pens combine beauty and utility in a way that is both thoughtful and memorable. The unique floral design adds a personal and heartfelt touch to any gift. If you're looking to brighten up a party or a gathering, these pens double as elegant table decorations. Their floral tops make them perfect for weddings, birthday parties, or even themed office events, creating a charming atmosphere while providing guests with a useful keepsake. In summary, the Leery Mixed Purple Rose and Peony Ballpoint pens are more than just writing instruments. They're an experience that blends style, creativity, and practicality. They help boost your mood and inspiration while adding a decorative flourish to your daily routine. If you want to add a bit of floral elegance to your workspace or gift something special, this set of 16 pens is a delightful choice. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the best flower pens for the office, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss our latest product insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.